Hi, today I have this Elegear cooling blanket, which I'm super excited about because I like to sleep in a nice cool environment, and I'm going to open it for the first time and give you my first impressions. So first of all, it has two sides to it. So the surface is nylon with polyethylene, and then the back is 100% cotton. So this is 59 by 79 inches. So let's open it up and see how it is. I'm super excited. This is from their chilling series, so they have the pillowcase and the comforter as well, which I did videos on, so I'll link those to the top and the bottom in case you want to check those out. But yeah, super excited to get the cooling blanket now as part of my set. Alright, so instantly I am loving this gray color. It's so like relaxing and neutral, which is great. It matches with everything. And then right on the label it tells me all about it, and that I can wash it in a gentle cycle up to 30 degrees Celsius, but not to bleach, iron, or dry clean it. So check this out. Automatically the coolness of it is apparent. I can just feel it already. It's nice and silky on this one side, and then the cotton side is a little thicker on the other side. I don't know if you can see the texture, but this side, the cotton side, obviously feels like cotton, but it's thicker than this other polyethylene side. So I would sleep with this side down towards me to get the cooling effect. So yeah, it's nice and big, nice and large, so it'll fit my bed. And I'm really loving this cooling. Wow, even just on my legs automatically you feel the coolness, which is great. That's how I like to sleep, in a nice cool environment. And I'm definitely looking forward to putting this whole set together with the pillowcase and the comforter and the blanket. It will be a very nice sleeping experience. And then on the edges here, you can see it has a nice trim with kind of a thicker material to it, just to give it that extra pop. And then on the corners, they're rounded, which is okay because it's a blanket. It's not a sheet that's going to be like tucked in. So I like the rounded corners, and I'm really sure that I would love to actually give this set to someone else. Like, once, obviously I'm going to keep this one, but if I'm looking for a gift set for someone that loves to have a good night's rest, well, let's face it, who doesn't, right? So that's pretty much everybody on my list for gifts. I would give them this because this is just, it feels so nice, and I can't wait to sleep with this over me. And it seems really easy to wash. I would just you know, throw it in the washer and then maybe tumble dry low, or just hang it up and let it dry. But yeah, I'm really liking this feeling that it's not going to make me sweat overnight or feel really heavy. It's nice and light, but also I don't know how they do it, but it really does feel cool. Like, if I touch a different blanket and touch this one, it definitely like has that cooling technology to it, which is incredible. I'm really liking this. So thumbs up for this one. I'll put the link below so that you can get your own